This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default font style in Gmail. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I'm logged into Gmail. To change the default font style in Gmail, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is log into your Gmail account, of course. The next thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the little gear wheel. You want to click on the gear wheel. Then you want to go down to where it says See All Settings and click on See All Settings. In the page that opens up here, as you can see, I am on the General tab. Make sure you're on the General tab. Then right down here, Default Text Style. In this box right over here, it gives you all kinds of options. This first one here is your font style. The next one is the size of your text. The next one is the color of your text. And the final one is remove formatting. You want to click on this one right here. By default, your font style is probably set to sans serif. As you can see, mine is. But you could choose any one of these. Gmail only allows you to choose from this group here. So you can't add your own font style. You have to choose from one of these. Say that I wanted wide. I'll click on wide. And then the final step, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom. And you want to click on Save Changes. That is how to change your default font style in Gmail. Thanks for watching.